shake, shake, shake. And then shake, shake, shake. Let me shake, shake, shake.
Ano, masikip?
Sakit lang ito ko, oh. Di masikip. Masakit sa panty eh. Shake, shake, shake. And may wrist silent. And my shoes, shoes, shoes. And my dress, dress, dress. And my t-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. And may... Mama, ano ba kung English ng ano? Na karapat?
Necktie.
And my necktie, necktie, necktie. And my eyes, eyes, eyes. And my...
Hawak na naman.
My socks, socks, socks. And my tongue, tongue, tongue. And my teeth, teeth, lip. And my lip, lip, lip. And my eyebrow, eyebrow. And my hair, hair, hair. And my hands, hands, hands. And my feet, feet, feet. And my knees, knees, knees. And my toes, toes, toes. And my knees, knees, knees. And my feet, feet, feet. And my toes, toes, toes. And my head, head, head. And my ears, ears, ears. And my eyes, eyes, eyes. And
Wait.
and my arms, 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 arms. Okay na. Ako na susuot. Mama Rika? Ha? Susuot ma?
Baliskad.
Zoe Lau guys, susuot na pala ako ng ano ko, ng sapatos ko, ano. Anong kakawa mo, ma? Kakawa mo. At saka itong isa, ano? Ay. Ay. Kunting kanin lang, ha? Bakit? Tawagan ko. Tapos kayon guys. So, ayan, napuyutan na ako ni mama. Ay, napuyutan. Napuyutan pala. So, ayan pala yung karapat ko, oh. At saka yung buhok ko. Ganda, diba? So, ngayon, ang ganda ko naman. Tapos dyan yung balita ko, oh. Kulay, ano, kulay blue and, ano,